Hello, in this video I will explain what was made for the Pereoperative Management app and what are the next stages and what can be improved. And also I am waiting for your feedback where I would like to hear what should be edited, what you like and what colors do you want to use and also all other information. To start with, for now, I decided to say that it's surgery. I know that preparation is a bit other stuff, but I had to use some text so that you could see how the placeholder look like. If it's possible, you could stop the video at specific moment and write me some things that should be improved. And also you can give me suggestions what has to be edited. Well, let's start from the home page. Oh, actually, first I will explain that the website is made so that it works well on any device. For example, that's the example of working with a computer. So you get a large screen and you can use, you can see more elements on the website. Also, you can see some other data. If we are on the mobiles, because people who will use this application will use mobiles, for them it will look so. We have here the timeline. We know how many months before the operation should this article be read. So for example, 6 months before, and then we can see whether this step was done or not. For example, 4 months, 3 months, 6 months. This one is not made, for example, that's why there is no done setting. To read the article, you just need to click. If you click on it, you will get such page. That's just the text which was, let's say, generated. The cool thing is that everything is already formatted. I made it so that even if you never programmed before, you can easily add photos, you can change the size of the text, and it will look well. I should remind that this version is not styled, and style can be chosen depending on your needs. The most important stuff is that things can be easily placed and the way how they are placed, basically. That's an example. Then it's possible to go for the next stage just by clicking, and it's possible to go to the other stage. On every page there is a footer with descriptions like the about us, our services, contact us, FAQ, legal questions, impressum which must be on any website, and Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or LinkedIn depending on the needs, and some explanation what the company does. Also there is navigation where you can open the profile, timeline, appointments, or you can enter your data and see your activities. Let's come back. Actually it's here. Also we can see that there is a heading and there is the explanation what exactly will be told in the given article. And just for people who don't know what to do with that, it's written that click to learn more. Then, after the whole list of all the articles, it can be much more. You can easily add this via admin panel. There is a patient community. This is the button that helps you to go to the WhatsApp group. And there is also the questionnaire that you can easily add. So the name of this part of website is home. It's kind of a main dashboard. Here you can add in the feed all the information the person needs, maybe some additional articles, some interesting articles which is not written by you but you want to give a link to it, or maybe you can add the video here, you can do whatever. Then it's possible to book an appointment. For now it's very it's very simple stuff. You just choose the doctor, you choose the kind of appointment, and you tell what you actually need, and you can pick up the date. For now, there is just a simple way of choosing. It's not a real registration for now. It has to be done using some programming languages. And there is one part of a profile. There are two profiles. One's available in the home, and other is available on a separate page. Here we see the profile. We can edit it. We see the main information about the person. Also, we can click on the medical files, so the certifications can be also be kept here. Then it's possible just copy. So you can put whatever file you want here, and if you want you can rename this, and you can also delete the file if you don't need that. You can also see when the thing was updated. All information here can be changed. So if you want a person to be female, or maybe you want to change the amount of kilograms or blood type if something was written not correctly, it's also possible to delete a profile to comply with regulations. And next page is activity. Activity data can track amount of calories, amount of heart beating rates, and it will be possible here to connect some devices. For example, Apple Watch. It's not so easy to connect appliances directly to the website. Actually, it's not possible by the policy of Apple. First of all, a person will have to download the special program. And here is basically, here will be the instruction of how to connect. For now, the text was just generated. Then there is a connect device button, after which there will be a special column or special page where a person will be able to connect this freely. Then we have the, some data, for example, about the heartbeat rate, the average heartbeat rate in different times. Then we have the activity information, the calories, exercises, stand time, the amount of steps, if it's important, some other variant of heart rate, and the weight tracking. So if you need to change something, we can just save and edit here. Then we have the daily feelings. The thing is that it will be possible to use the microphone to enter something. If it's like 50 years old person, I guess it will be much easier just to use audio instead of writing. And yes, here you can add whatever information. And then you can just save the feeling. Food tracking, you just write anything you want, and the information will be printed. For now, there won't be anything written right, it's just a random number, because nothing is yet connected. And then it will be possible to save the information if person sees that everything is correct. And then we can go to another part. It's actually profile page. It's for now quite basic. Here I'm still working on the way how to add the medical files more correctly and how to see everything more correctly. And of course there is the main page, so when person enters the website, he has to see some landing. And for now, landing looks so. First of all, we have the cookie consent, that must be. And here is the video. I have found some free video in internet. But here can be any video that you want to do. Maybe some person could talk, or maybe there could be some example of how the operation works in the real life, so that person will get some attraction to the website. Yeah, there is a name. As I said, I'm waiting for the name from you so that I could change all the names here. Also all the text, because I guess it will be right if you provide some information that I could add here. Yeah, here there should be some explanation why people need that, etc. And here is the registration. As I said, the style will be later changed. For now, it's important that we have something that functions and that And the placement of things is also important. We have here the name, surname, email while registering, password, operation date, or if a person doesn't know the operation date yet, he can maybe not specify that. Also, soon I will add here the point with adding the information about the place where the operation will take place. Also, there is the operation type. It's for now just random stuff, and here some information can be added. You can specify the gender, the date of birth, height, weight, and also the legal stuff. It's accepting of terms and conditions and agreeing of receiving emails about the services. Yes, that's what is for now. Also, it's possible to log in immediately. And yep, that's how everything looks like for now. Soon there will be much more things inside, and also everything will work, I guess, nicely. So I'm waiting for the feedback, and I'm still continuing working further on the project. And if you don't like something, please tell me, I will easily edit this. It's not a problem at all.